Hi, this is John Hampton, and this is our second video, and this here is John Robert Hampton. And by the time you're seeing this, he will be 18 years old. Yay, him. uh, I kid him a lot, but he's my boy, and I'm proud of him. So what we're trying today, John Robert?
M&Ms. First time for everything.
What kind of M&Ms is this?
Toasted vanilla.
Toasted vanilla. Mm. Wow. That vanilla comes through just like I'm drinking a vanilla frappuccino. Man, it tastes a lot like a vanilla frappuccino.
Remind me of something Starbucks.
Mm-hmm. Only we didn't have to pay $10 for it. mm, mm, mm. I'm getting strong hits of vanilla. I'm getting just a tiny bit of the coffee taste in there too. Didn't think there's going to be a coffee flavor in this, but they are. And of course, the classic M&M's milk chocolate too. Mm. I don't know if I can stop eating them long enough to give a rating on these. I'm gonna have to give 5 out of 5. I love vanilla anyways. Vanilla's one of my favorite flavors. I always get a vanilla frappuccino when I go to McDonald's or caramel one. This is good. What do you think?
Mm-hmm. That's good.
You say 5 out of 5 too?
I'm gonna go overboard.
Mm-hmm.
8 out of 5.
In other words, they really did.
It's like a hit of vanilla. Like you said, little faint flavors of coffee.
Mm-hmm.
And if you pay real close attention to it, you get a little hint of caramel.
Mm-hmm. M&M's has got a hit on their hands. And find it in the holiday section. I'm hoping it's just ain't a Christmas flavor. It's here for a while to stay, at least. Because I tell you, I will buy these again.
What's one flavor M&Ms I did not like?
What was that?
You remember when they had the pumpkin one?
Oh, yeah.
Double thumbs down.
Mm-hmm. I don't like anything pumpkin spice.
I'm good for one slice of pumpkin pie and then that's it.
Yeah, that's me too. Even back when I sold the Scentsy, I was never a big fan of their pumpkin scents.
You still sell it, don't you?
Here and there. But, no, I mean, I'm be honest with you, with people are crazy about their pumpkin scents. I love the apple ones so much better. I'm an apple person.
My favorite scent was fresh cut grass.
I like
There
Thunderstorm.
goes fire truck.
I like Thunderstorm. I'll give you my top 5 Scentsy scents. Thunderstorm. I liked the there's one that was very berry strawberry or something like that. That had a beautiful aroma like strawberries. Banana bean buttercream smelled like a birthday cake. Um, the fresh cut pine made me think I had a Christmas tree in the room when I didn't. And then number 5 for when my sinuses was getting me, it was about to kill me. I'd pop in one of those Just Breathe that has the eucalyptus and menthol in it. And it would make me feel like I was breathing in better every time. I can't prove it. No, like I said, I'm no scientific or no doctor or anything like that, so I can't prove it made me better. But at least it made me feel like I was in a better aroma. That next year. So back to these M&Ms.
My top 3 was the jumping jelly bean, or
Uh-huh.
whatever it's called.
Fresh cut
The
grass.
one he's talking about.
Thunderstorm.
The other one.
Fresh cut grass.
No. You were talking about had the menthol in it.
Just Breathe.
That was number 2. And fresh cut grass was number 1.
So jumping jelly bean just breed fresh cut grass.
Cause it was fresh cut grass reminded me of a field that had just been cut, rolled up for hay.
You know, by the time we get through this video, there may not be any of these M&Ms left. That'd be the first time for us eating up the whole thing we're doing the taste test on, you know?
Big weekend for college football.
Oh, yeah. By the time you watch this, so all the big games already played.
Got Iowa taking on Michigan.
That'd be a big
Oregon taking on Washington.
That'd be a big game.
And Oklahoma State and Texas.
That would be a big game.
Then you got, of course, the SEC, Alabama and Georgia.
I can't wait to watch that one. Roll Tide. So I'll let this go at this. You need to get you some of these M&Ms before they're all gone. In fact, you better hurry to get them, because if you don't, me and John Robert may have them all bought by the time you get to the store.
You have to run 5 miles to get all the sugar out of my
So we love y'all. God bless. And thanks again for watching Ronald Television. Until the next time, this is John Hampton.
Mama Hampton.
And John Robert Hampton.
I'm over here sawing away on him again.
Y'all have a good day.